Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you today.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack.
Today, we will talk about Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is very special. It's a wonderful holiday.
We will use simple English. Don't worry,
You can learn with us. It's easy and fun.
so stay with us until the end.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Click the like button too. It helps us a lot.
Okay, let's start.
What is Christmas? Jack, do you like Christmas?
Oh, yes, I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday.
Me too. Christmas is wonderful.
Christmas is on December 25th.
That's right. December 25th every year.
Many people celebrate Christmas around the world.
Yes, in many countries. It's very popular.
Friends, repeat after me. Christmas is on December 25th.
Say it with us. Christmas is on December 25th.
Great job! Christmas traditions.
Jack, what do people do at Christmas?
Oh, many things. First, people give gifts.
Yes, gifts are very important at Christmas.
We give gifts to family and friends.
It makes people happy.
What else do people do, Sarah?
People decorate their homes.
Yes! Decorations are beautiful.
We put up a Christmas tree.
A Christmas tree. It's green and pretty.
We put lights on the tree.
Colorful lights. Red, green, blue, yellow.
And we put ornaments on the tree.
Ornaments are small, pretty things, like balls and stars.
Repeat after me. We put up a Christmas tree.
Come on. We put up a Christmas tree.
Excellent.
We also put a star on top of the tree.
Yes, a beautiful star at the top.
Sarah, what about Santa Claus?
Oh yes, Santa Claus.
Santa Claus is very famous at Christmas.
Children love Santa Claus.
He wears a red suit and a red hat.
He has a white beard.
A long white beard.
Santa Claus brings gifts to children.
He comes on Christmas Eve. That's December 24th.
He travels in a sleigh.
A sleigh is pulled by reindeer.
Reindeer are animals. They can fly.
Well, in the story, they fly.
Haha, yes, it's a magical story.
Let's practice. Say with us. Santa Claus brings gifts.
Santa Claus brings gifts.
Perfect.
Christmas food. Jack, let's talk about Christmas food.
Oh, I love Christmas food.
Me too, it's delicious.
What do you eat at Christmas, Sarah?
My family eats turkey.
Turkey, that's a big bird.
Yes, we cook a big turkey,
We eat turkey with vegetables.
like potatoes, carrots, and beans.
It sounds good.
What about dessert?
Oh, we eat Christmas cookies.
Cookies. Yummy.
We also eat Christmas cake.
Some people eat gingerbread.
Gingerbread is a sweet cookie. It's brown.
We make gingerbread houses,
Yes, little houses made of cookies.
and we drink hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is perfect for winter.
It's warm and sweet.
Repeat after me. We eat Christmas cookies.
Say it. We eat Christmas cookies.
Great.
Christmas activities. Jack, what activities do people do at Christmas?
Many fun activities.
People sing Christmas songs.
Yes, Christmas carols.
Carols are traditional songs.
Famous carols are Jingle Bells and Silent Night.
People sing together. It's beautiful.
What else, Sarah?
People send Christmas cards.
Christmas cards are special cards.
We write Merry Christmas inside.
We send them to family and friends.
Some people go to church on Christmas.
Yes, it's a religious holiday for many people.
Children write letters to Santa Claus.
They ask for toys and gifts.
It's very cute.
And families spend time together.
That's the best part.
We watch movies together.
We play games together.
We talk and laugh together.
Christmas is about love and family.
Say it with us. Christmas is about love and family.
Christmas is about love and family.
Beautiful.
Christmas vocabulary practice. Now let's practice some Christmas words.
Listen carefully.
First word, gift.
Gift, a present for someone.
I give a gift to my friend.
Repeat, gift.
Next word, tree.
Next word, star, star. We put it on top of the tree.
The star is beautiful.
Say it. Star.
Great job, everyone.
You're learning so much.
Christmas around the world. Jack, did you know? Christmas is different in different countries.
Really? Tell me more.
In some countries, it's very cold at Christmas,
Yes, there is snow.
but in other countries, it's warm.
Wow. Like in Australia?
Yes. In Australia, Christmas is in summer.
That's interesting.
People go to the beach on Christmas Day.
The beach. That's different.
Yes, they have barbecues outside.
And in Mexico, they have special celebrations.
They break piñatas.
Piñatas are fun. You hit them and candy falls out.
In Germany, they have Christmas markets.
Markets with food, drinks, and gifts.
It's beautiful.
Every country has special traditions.
That's what makes Christmas special everywhere. Simple Christmas dialogue practice. Now let's practice a simple conversation.
Listen first, then repeat.
Merry Christmas, Jack.
Merry Christmas, Sarah. How are you?
I'm great. Are you ready for Christmas?
Yes. I bought gifts for my family.
That's wonderful. I decorated my tree yesterday.
Nice. What do you want for Christmas?
I want a new book. What about you?
I want warm socks.
Haha. Warm socks are perfect for winter.
Okay, now you try.
When someone says Merry Christmas, you can say,
Merry Christmas to you too.
or you can say Happy Holidays.
Both are correct.
Practice with your friends and family.
Questions for you. Now, we have questions for you.
Answer in the comments below.
Question 1. Do you celebrate Christmas?
Write your answer, yes or no.
Question 2. What is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Tell us in the comments.
Question 3. What do you want for Christmas this year?
We want to know.
Question 4. Do you like to give gifts or receive gifts?
Both are nice, right?
Write your answers below. We will read them.
And we will reply to you. Useful Christmas phrases. Let's learn some useful phrases.
These are easy. You can use them.
Phrase 1. Merry Christmas.
This is the most common phrase.
Say it to everyone on December 25th.
Repeat, Merry Christmas.
Phrase 2. Happy Holidays.
This is good for the whole season.
December is the holiday season.
Say, Happy Holidays.
Phrase 3. Season's greetings.
This is polite and friendly.
Repeat, season's greetings.
Phrase 4. Have a wonderful Christmas.
This is warm and kind.
Say, Have a wonderful Christmas.
Phrase 5. Thank you for the gift.
Always say thank you.
It's polite and nice.
Repeat, Thank you for the gift.
Excellent work.
Final practice. Let's do one more practice together.
We will say a sentence and you repeat.
Ready? Here we go.
I love Christmas.
Your turn. I love Christmas.
Christmas is in December.
Say it. Christmas is in December.
Santa Claus brings gifts.
Repeat. Santa Claus brings gifts.
We decorate the Christmas tree.
Your turn. We decorate the Christmas tree.
I give gifts to my family.
Say it. I give gifts to my family. Merry Christmas, everyone. All together. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Wonderful job.
Great work today, everyone.
You learned so much about Christmas.
You learned new words and phrases.
Now you can talk about Christmas in English.
Practice with your friends.
Use these words every day.
Don't forget to write your answers in the comments.
We want to hear from you.
And please subscribe to our channel.
Click the subscribe button right now.
Give us a thumbs up. Click the like button.
It really helps us to make more videos for you.
Share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And happy English learning. Goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.